Hey guys, Angus here. I had an idea about a grip trainer, so I'm gonna make it with stuff from the gym. I'll fast forward this video and then come in and chat to you when it's relevant. So give me a couple seconds. So I'm gonna need 2 of these pins. I need something to put the weight on, which has a little thing. You could make something like this, but I've got one of these. I'm gonna add a little 5 kilo plate on there just to test it. Then you're gonna need a rope or a chain. Here's the concept. We use this pin, we attach that to the chain with a little bit of space there so that goes through the chain like so. We'll hold that in our fingertips. We hold this, and then we're grip training. Lacking one thing, there's not a lot of space. This needs to become closer, so let me see what I can do. So, quick solution is to slide that through here. That's gonna angle down because this hole's too big. So if you use something with the right size hole, and make sure that this rotates that way. That's the way the pressure is gonna be. Have the weight, make sure you got enough clearing there. And that is a grip trainer. Here's a top tip if you're loading up weight. Put a small weight plate, big weight plate, small weight plate, big weight plate. So when you're taking it off, you got a little gap in between there to take it off. A little bit, get in position, and then you can train your grip. Once it gets too much, just let go.